Imagine yourself in this 2003 Ford Super Duty F-350 DRW. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include driver airbag, ABS, tow hooks, AM/FM stereo, power outlet, 4-wheel disc brakes, and passenger vanity mirror. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.